how to enable colorful screensaver on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Display. After click on Display, scroll down and click on Screensaver. After click on screensaver, if you want to enable colorful screensaver, click on colors. After click on colors, if you want to see preview, click on preview. So after see preview, click on colors, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable colorful screensaver on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.